Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw an alien cat. So here you can see that I'm using my brown color pen to draw the alien cat. Here's its head and two big ears. Okay, now let's draw its face. Here's its nostril. And now I'm drawing its eyes. Its eyes would be really horrific. Okay, now let's draw its body. It's a big alien cat. And here's its big paw. I'm coloring this part with brown. Another leg. Again, I'm filling this portion with brown. Here's its long tail. Let's fill it with brown again. Okay. Now making this part a little darker. In its ears, I'm using yellow color. Same yellow color inside its eyes. It's looking good, and now I'm using dark green color. I'm using the same dark green color in its paw. Okay, now I'm using a light green color. And now I'm filling the rest with my green highlighter pen. My light green color pen again. Yes, I will color all over its face with light green color. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.